What's up, YouTube? I'm just going to do a couple drive-bys, show you the exhaust sound of the Flowmaster. I believe it's actually a Flowmaster 50. Someone in the comment section seeing that it didn't look like it was 13 inches. I ended up measuring it. It was a 17-inch exhaust or muffler, which is a Flowmaster 50. I ordered a 40, so not sure what happened there, but it still sounds good, so we're going to go with that. It's a 50. But without further ado, I'm going to do a couple drive-bys to show you exhaust sound under regular acceleration. Then I'm going to, floor it a few times and see what you guys think. So hopefully you guys heard that really good. I like the sound of it. Definitely sounds a lot better in person. But yeah, we go down the road a few times so you can hear it inside the cabin. This is inside the cabin with the windows down. I think it sounds great. You guys let me know. Hopefully you can hear it. Like I said, it sounds better through computer speakers or like a Bluetooth speaker or anything like that. You listen to it on your phone, it doesn't capture anything with a little bass to it. So inside. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I think it's a Flowmaster 50. That's why I changed the title, because someone commented that it was looked like it was 17-inch muffler instead of 13 like the Flowmaster 40 is. So I couldn't find a 17-inch Flowmaster 40, so I must have to agree with the subscribers. So have a good day. God bless. Stay safe.